Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mrs. English Flow Channel. I'm Lily.
And I'm David. Today, we're going to talk about dreams, goals, and how learning English can help you achieve them.
That's right. This episode will also help you learn useful English expressions for talking about your future dreams.
So grab your coffee, relax, and let's start today's English podcast.
David, what's your biggest dream in life?
Honestly, I want to travel around the world and meet people from different cultures.
That sounds amazing. Which country do you want to visit first?
Probably Japan. I love the food, technology, and culture there. What about you, Lily?
My dream is to open a small coffee shop someday.
Really? That's interesting. What would your coffee shop look like?
I want it to be cozy and peaceful, with books, soft music, and friendly conversations in English.
Wow, I definitely visit every day.
Thanks. I also dream about becoming more confident in speaking English.
I think many English learners feel the same way.
Yes, sometimes people are afraid of making mistakes.
But mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Exactly. The important thing is to keep practicing every day.
By the way, English can help people achieve their dreams faster.
That's true. English can help you travel, find jobs, study abroad, and meet international friends.
And podcasts are a great way to improve listening skills naturally.
Definitely. That's why we created Mrs. English Flow Channel, to make learning English fun and relaxing.
So listeners, never give up on your dreams.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and believe in yourself.
All right, everyone, that's the end of today's episode.
We hope you learned some new English expressions and enjoyed our conversation.
Don't forget to practice speaking English every single day.
And subscribe to Mrs. English Flow Channel for more English podcasts and daily conversations.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode.